Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Docker on Mac. So what you have to do is you have to first of all download Docker application. So just copy and paste this link. This is also given in the description of this video. So it will save the Docker DMG file. So I have already downloaded this file. So once your downloading is done, just click on this file. Next, what you have to do, click on this icon, hold your click and drag it over the applications. Now just go to Launchpad. Just wait for a few seconds. So if you can see now, Docker is available in your applications. Thank you very much for watching.